Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple has just rolled out the second developer betas of iOS 26 and iPadOS 26, arriving 2 weeks after the first betas were introduced following the WWDC 2025 keynote. Developers enrolled in Apple's program can download the latest builds through the software update section in the settings app. Both iOS 26 and iPadOS 26 showcase Apple's all-new liquid glass design, emphasizing sleek translucency and fluid glass-like interface elements. This fresh look touches nearly every part of the system, from the lock screen and control center to app menus and home screen widgets. Beyond the design overhaul, the updates bring several powerful new features across the ecosystem. So you can expect enhancements in messages, phone, shortcuts, and Apple Music, along with several Apple Intelligence-driven features. CarPlay also sees a major revamp, offering a more integrated and fully customizable experience. For iPad users, iPadOS 26 takes multitasking to the next level with the support for multiple app windows, bringing it closer than ever to a true Mac-like workflow. Currently, these betas are exclusive to registered developers, but Apple is expected to launch a public beta in July, giving more users a chance to explore the updates ahead of their official release this fall. So stay tuned for deeper dives into iOS 26 and iPadOS 26 features, and be sure to check out our full rounders for everything new coming to your iPhone and iPad.